Subscribe to Techno Brine channel for latest videos and updates. Hi everyone, today I will be unboxing the crucial SATA SSD drive, so let's get started. So guys, this is the SSD box and the model number is BX500. This is how the box looks from outside, and we have some information about the product. It's mentioned it has a 3 years limited warranty and it runs on a 6 Gbps SATA interface. Let's open the packaging. The packaging is quite simple and we have the drive inside the plastic packaging. So we have the drive and this documentation. It has multiple languages, so let's keep it aside and check out the SSD itself. The outer material is made of metal and it has a brushed finish, and this is the exact model information. The capacity of the drive is 240 gigabytes. So this is a SATA cable which is used to connect such kind of drives. So with this interface we can install this hard drive in a desktop or a laptop. Let's check the performance. With the average read speed of 430 megabytes and write speed of 373 megabytes per second, it is clearly 5 times faster than a traditional hard drive. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks, bye bye.